Need a plan for your plants? Well, today we are gonna assemble and set up the BabaBerry. So excited. So first step, get your BabaBerry. So we are gonna go through all the steps, assemble it from beginning to end, and make sure you have no questions by the end of this video. Let's get started. For this video and for this setup, we are gonna use this baby here. This is a Monstera albo variegata. So first things first, your plant. One thing to remember about overwatering is that it's not the amount of water that you give it, it's the frequency. So before you set up your BabaBerry, depending on the type of plant that you have and how long you're going to be away, it would be good to consider watering before you set up your BabaBerry in it. Step 1. This is the O-ring and the flow knob. It's these two components that basically decide how fast or how slow your drip rate is going to be. You have to make sure that your O-ring is straight. You don't want to crook it, otherwise it will screw with your flow rate. Think about it this way. Less space inside the valve, tighter, means a slower rate. More space inside the valve, looser, means a faster rate. Physics. Step 2. Two things to make sure. The opposite end of the flow knob is going to go inside the spike, and your dripper is pointing down to your plant. Just give it a little bit of a push. See? Easier than opening a mason jar. Make sure it is straight and snug onto your spike. Step 3. You'll take your reservoir and your spike and you'll screw the two together. You want all of these components to be straight and tight so that they don't leak. Now we're gonna get our plant. Your plant. You are gonna make a little bit of space in your plant pot so you can put the spike in and then tuck the soil around. Once you have the space in the soil, you're gonna stick the BabaBerry spike in your plant. You're gonna make sure that you pack the soil around the spike so it doesn't move. Step 4, fill it up. So there you have it. Your reservoir is full. You are almost ready to go. Last step. Finally, you are going to screw the bottle cap onto your BabaBerry. Just make sure that the cap isn't airtight when you screw it onto the reservoir so that the water can flow. Physics. Make sure you adjust the drip rate depending on your plant and your needs. Loosen it for a faster rate or tighten it for a slower rate. And that's it. You're all set up. You can check on the reservoir and its progression over time as it goes down. You can follow the instructions that come with your BabaBerries. They have a detailed guide on how to set it up and all the steps, and also recommendations and tips and tricks for when you're setting up your BabaBerry and using it over time. And on the next video, we'll talk about the different kinds of plants that love dynamic drippers like the BabaBerry and how different growth conditions influence your settings. So, see you next time! And happy gardening!